We have started a recruitment campaign. We were able to define our processes in a very structured manner. The solutions and the processes that I went through on the Wadhwani Foundation in the toolkits, that makes us plan all those things in a very structured manner. So now we have our hiring plans. We have a timeline for the hiring plan. We have defined very specific KRAs for our people. The people in my team are now realize that what they are actually required to do, and they are also able to set up the goals for themselves. They know what has to be achieved and they are recognized for doing that. That keeps me completely free from the day-to-day business activity. That's something any SME or any entrepreneur would want, when they have a team which can take a very progressive decisions towards the growth of the business. And the entrepreneur has enough of time that they can focus on core business activities and the expansion of the business. This is an achievement that I cannot forget as on date, and this is something I would like to continue even when I have new teams in place, when I have new people in my organization. This practice will help me to ensure that the people who work with me are completely independent. They are able to make their own decisions, make progressive decisions, and that is in line with my company's vision and mission.